Hi little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a super fun and colorful house using just shapes.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's go grab our black marker and get started. Let's start with the roof of our house. First, draw a triangle on the left side. Now draw a rectangle right next to it. This completes the roof shape. Now from the roof, let's draw 3 straight vertical lines going down. Then draw a long horizontal line at the bottom to connect them. Now let's add a door in the front. Draw a tall rectangle in the middle part of the wall. Let's add a cute window next to the door. Draw a rectangle with a line in the middle. Then add a little wavy shade on top. What a cozy house! Now draw a long rectangle below the house. And here comes the cutest part. Draw a little heart shape on the triangle part of the roof. Ah, this house is full of love. Nice job, everyone. Now take your black marker again and trace over the lines to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make your artwork pop out beautifully. Awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. And guess what? We're using rainbow colors today. Let's name them together while we color. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Well done, little artists! You just created a beautiful rainbow house using shapes. Be proud of yourself and don't forget to show your artwork to your family. Hey little artists! Today, we're going to draw a super cute house of love. It's going to be colorful and fun, so grab your markers and let's get started. First, let's draw the roof of our house. Draw a big triangle at the top. Great job! Now, let's draw the main part of the house. Draw a big rectangle right under the triangle. Draw a long rectangle under the house to make it stand strong. Our house needs a chimney. Draw a small rectangle on top of the roof. Now, let's add a door so we can enter our home.
La da 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 dee.
Let's add 2 square windows on the sides so we can see outside. One on the left and one on the right. And for the final touch, let's add a heart-shaped window on top. Let's draw 2 little birds flying in the sky. Whoa! Great job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make our artwork pop. Take your marker and boldly outline the drawing. Look! Our house is alive with happiness.
Yay!
It's coloring time. Let's use rainbow colors to make our house look magical. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow! Look at our beautiful house of love. You did an amazing job. Give yourself a big high five. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing. Hey friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and easy. A cute little house with a smiling sun. Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker, kids. First, let's draw the roof. It's a big triangle on top. Now let's draw a rectangle right under the roof. This is the house. Great job! Now draw a door, just a rectangle in the middle. And now a cute window, a square with a plus sign inside. Let's add a sun in the corner, draw a circle, and now little lines around it like sun rays. Now give the sun a cute little face, 2 eyes and a smiling mouth. Yay! The sun is happy too. Awesome job, everyone. Our house drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp. Go over all the lines with your marker again. Perfect. Look how nice and clean it looks.
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's bring our drawing to life. Red color for the roof.
Wow!
Orange color for the door.
La 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 la.
Yellow color for the sun. Green color for the house. color. For the window.
La 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 la.
Whoa! Look at all those bright colors. Well done, artists. Your house looks amazing and so colorful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more fun drawing videos from Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time. Bye-bye, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.